First things first, calculus is the best. For real. I learned volume and surface area too. I get integrals right, I jump, that's what I'll do. Promise right here, I'll explain it to the rest of you. But you gotta promise you won't get obsessed. When you get all these problems right, you'll think you're blessed with calc knowledge.
One problem to ace the test, one equation to pass the course. Lame losers can't tell the difference between a 3 and a 5 on the exam. Just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved.
No surface area and I'm here right now. No surface area to speak of. Searching through my memory, I couldn't find the answer. Last night, I was getting my brain stumped by the baddest equation. Not easy, man, I swear to God, this problem will make you call your friends up and tell them, hey, what's the answer? Sorry, I just got it from my friend O'Damon, sir. Then hang up and solve it in a blur. I knew the formula was easy, that's for sure. Ain't got no shame about it. It's integral from a to b 2 pi f of x times square root of 1 plus the root of squared. But then I thought back to the answer key. The one my friends had showed me, the one that said the answer was 303. Then I looked down at the work on my paper and see
One problem to ace the test, one equation to pass the course. Lame losers can't tell the difference between a 3 and a 5 on the exam. Just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved.
Want a harder problem, complex, maybe a volume problem, the disk and the shell problem, and you ain't got a wonder calculator not problem. Yeah, I don't really know how the formula goes. Maybe Vx equals integral of O. AX dx, that's what I know. So then we plug it in and the answer show. Yeah, boy, on the calculator. I got it right, that's right, it's choice C. You think I would have known it's the right one. There it is, only positive answer choice right there. I could have passed it the one.
One problem to ace the test, one equation to pass the course. Lame losers can't tell the difference between a 3 and a 5 on the exam. Just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved, just solve it. The problem can be solved.
There's an old saying in math class. I know it's in English, probably math class too. Get the wrong answer once. Shame on. Shame on you. Get it wrong once, can't get it wrong again.
Wrong once, shame on you. Wrong twice, can't put the blame on you. Wrong 3 times, screw guessing. Learn the math, get it right for you. Wrong once, shame on you. Wrong twice, can't put the blame on you. Wrong 3 times, screw guessing. Learn the math, get it right for you. My only regret was no shell method examples. My only regret was no washer method examples. Now all I'm left with is all these wrong answers. And I'm an answer key, you still couldn't get it right. My only regret was no comparison test. My only regret could never get it right. Now I'm left with is all these wrong answers. With this calc knowledge and a dope song. We solved it with no calculator.
We solved it. We solved it.
We solved it with no calculator.
Solved it. We solved it.
We solved it with no
We
calculator.
solved it. We solved it.
We solved it with no
We
calculator.
solved it. We solved it.
Just solve it. The problem can be solved, 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 just solve it. The problem can be solved.
We're trying to get going down by the minute. Alright, watch out!